Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be sharing some tips and some advices on steering for beginners who has problem with the pull and push technique. Many learners in the beginning, they find the pull and push technique for steering, it's a task for them to master. It's a difficult thing for them to master in the beginning, and it costs them few lessons until they get it right. So in this lesson, what I want to do is I want to give you some homework you can do for you to practice this at home, for you to improve and for you to master this pull and push technique, so that when you go to your lesson, you're not wasting your time or money, for you to master this pull and push technique. So the advice I'm going to give you is this, that you get something circle like a steering, maybe a circle plate or maybe a wall clock. You hold it, you sit on a chair or maybe on your sofa, and all you do is you hold that round thing, maybe a plate or a clock like I said, and you practice the pull and push technique. You don't have to worry about where you hold, because normally when you're holding a steering, you hold it either 2:45 or 10:2, but at home you don't have to worry about where you hold. What you're trying to achieve is to get the circle right, the pull and push technique. So like I said, you sit on a chair, get a round thing, something circle, and you imagine the circle thing, it's your steering, and you just practice the pull and push technique. And you keep practicing until you get it right, even if you have to practice for a few hours at home. That way you will save time and money in the driving lesson. Imagine if you need 2 hours or 2 lessons for you to master this. If you could practice that at home, imagine how much you are saving, the time and the money. So all you do is you sit on a chair or maybe on your sofa with a clock in this case, and like I said, anything round, clock or a plate, and you imagine that's your steering, and then do the pull and push technique. Just go round, circle, in this case with this clock. So you go up with one hand and then you go down with the other, and you do the same, up and down, and then up and down, and use both hands, one with up, one with down, and do the reverse, up and then down with the other, and then you go up and then you go down with the other, and keep on doing that. Like I said, if you could do that at home, what will happen is you will save time and money, instead of wasting time in your driving lesson. If you could do that at home, then on your next lesson you could do that, and that will save you a lot of time and money, because otherwise you will be practicing that in the lesson, and that could cost you 1 hour of your time and money. So in this case, as you can see, now we're using a plate, so you could use a plate or anything circle, just go up and down, and don't worry about where the position you're holding, like normally 10:2, just go round circle, without any rule. That will give you the practice. Once you do a few times, then start doing a bit quicker. Once you could do it quickly, that's when you know that you can do it.
Hello, I am Afsal and I enjoyed helping. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.
Okay, that's it for today, and I hope this video helps. Like I said, if you could master that at home, you will save a lot of time and money in your driving lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.